Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a Discord account. If you haven't already, make sure to download the Discord app from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed on your device, let's get started. Open the Discord app on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Register to begin the account creation process. Next, you will need to enter your email address or phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address or phone number that you have access to. Now it's time to create a username and a password for your Discord account. Your username is how other users will identify you on Discord, so choose wisely. After creating your username and password, you will be asked to enter your date of birth. This is to ensure that you are of legal age to use Discord. Before proceeding, make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. It's important to understand the rules and guidelines of using Discord. Once you have agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy, tap on Create Account to finalize the account creation process. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Discord account. You can now start exploring the app, joining servers, and connecting with friends. That's it for this tutorial on how to create a Discord account. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy chatting on Discord.